Good day, class! How are you today? I hope you're doing great. Welcome to Grade 10 Cookery Quarter 1. For today's video, we're going to discuss the commonly used tools, utensils, and equipment in egg preparation. Food safety program starts with the standard operating procedures of cleaning and sanitizing tools and other utensils to be prepared in cooking food, particularly eggs. It was rigidly discussed during your exploratory course and in grade 9. Improper cleaning and sanitizing of tools may allow harmful microorganisms to be transferred from one food to another. The following are the list of tools, utensils, and equipment needed in preparing egg dishes. Cudler, crepe pan, egg cooker, custard cups, omelette pan, egg purser, poacher, Gushue dish, egg ring, separator, slicer, wedger, non-stick pans, whisk, spatulas. Tools, utensils, and equipment plays a vital role in the success of egg preparation, for without them, quality of egg dish may be affected. Kung ikaw ay bago at nagustuhan mo ang aking video o napadaan ka lang, maaari mong i-click ang subscribe button at ang notification bell para ma-update ka sa aking channel. Thank you for watching!